Good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and healthy and also enjoying your online classes. Today, we are going to learn about articles. Articles are divided or categorized into two parts, definite and indefinite. The is your definite article and A and an are your indefinite articles. Let us read the following sentences. I work in a factory. Rahul met an engineer. I bought an eraser from the shop. She wore a hat. I saw a star in the sky last night. So, children, did you notice there are some sentences that have article a before the noun, and there are some sentences which have the article and before the noun. I hope by now you would have identified which are the nouns in these sentences. Do you know why we have a or an in different sentences? Let us find out. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these, A, E, I, O and U are called vowel. So when the noun is starting with vowel or the sound, vowel sound, we use the article and before such words. So the remaining letters in the English alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. So when the noun starts with consonant sound, we use a before such words or nouns. As you can see here in these sentences, a factory. F is your consonant, so that's why we have a before it. An engineer. An engineer. So E starts with a vowel sound and a vowel letter. An eraser. So E again starts with vowel and the sound is also a vowel. She wore a hat. Again consonant, a star. Consonant. Okay. So I hope you understood that where to use a and where to use an. Okay. So sometimes a word begins with consonant but we use the article and before it. Do you know why this happens? Let us see. Let's read these words. So how do you pronounce H-O-U-R? Do you say it hour? H-O-N-E-S-T. Do you pronounce it honest? Honest. How do you pronounce it? So H-O-U-R, we don't say it hour, we pronounce it R. So what is the sound? O. Okay. H is silent here. Honest. O. We are starting with O. The sound is of O's. H is silent here. So the words like honest is starting with H, but the sound is of vowel and the word H is silent. That's why we use and before such words. So I hope you would have understood that the sound is of vowel. Vowel, that's why we use and before such words. And then there are some words which starts with vowel but they don't have the vowel sound, they have sound of Y. For example, unique. So year, so the sound is of year, Y. European, year, again the sound is year. So such words which though they start with vowel but they don't have a vowel sound, the sound is of year, that is Y. So this is exception. These cases are exception. These words start with vowel or consonant, but the sound is not a vowel or the sound is not a consonant. Let us see this example. The pencil box is a useful gift. So U is starting, yes, it is starting with vowel, but the sound is of Y. Okay, that's why we have used a before it. He waited for an hour at the bus stop. R, okay? R, O-U-R. So that's why H is silent here. We have used and before it. He is an honest person. Again, the sound is of vowel. A European country, the sound is of Y. So children, I hope the usage of a and an is clear. Then comes the article the. Let us see where do we use the. Before we read these sentences, children, let me tell you the usage. Where do we use it? So the is a very important article and we have different rules where to use it. Before the names of some famous places, buildings, statues and books. Before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas and oceans and famous buildings, religious places, religious books, before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. Okay, are you getting? The is used before something which is specific, which is special, which is unique. Okay, so we don't use the randomly anywhere. Okay, the specify that you need a specific object. You're talking about a specific object. Okay, one of its kind. Let's see the last sentence here. The Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. So the Taj Mahal, do we have any other Taj Mahal in the whole world? No, Taj Mahal is one of its kind. It is unique. Okay, it is famous. So that's why the is used before it. The child, the child broke the toy which was new. So here children, in this sentence we are talking about a particular child. There may be 3-4 children at home right now, and out of all those out of 3 or 4 children, that particular child broke the toy. And which toy he broke? He did not break any random toy, but he broke that toy which was new, which was just bought. Okay, are you getting it? Put off the light before you leave. So, what did you understand out of it? Think. Did you understand something? Did you notice something? Is the sentence is telling you to switch off any light? No. The sentence is telling you to turn off the light. We are talking in this sentence, the speaker is talking about a particular light. Maybe your mother is telling you to turn off the light of her room. Before you leave the room, please put off that light. Okay? So, specific light. The book you want is available in the market. Okay, so here is the sentence telling you any random book or any random market? No, the sentence is telling you about a specific book. Maybe you want Harry Potter book, Harry Potter and the Deadly Hollows. You want this book. You don't want any random book of Harry Potter series, but you want that specific book, Harry Potter and the Deadly Hollows. So someone is telling you that that book, no, which you wanted, is available in that market. So not any random market. Maybe the speaker is telling you about a specific shop in the market. Okay, getting the point. A book is lying on the table. एक book है where? On that table. Okay, particular table. There may be 3 or 4 tables in that room, but a specific table. Maybe the table with black cloth, maybe the table with the beautiful vase. Okay, so specific table. So children, I hope you would have understood the usage of the. So the is used before particular object, specific noun. Okay, Taj Mahal, so it's a specific, it's particular, it's unique. A child, not a child, the child. The child means a particular child. Okay, understood the usage of the. So I've already told you this. Now, so what did you understand? What did we learn today? Let us quickly sum up what we have learned today. We have seen that there are 3 types of articles: a, an and the. A and an are used for objects that are not specific. Okay, that are not specific. The is used for the specific object, used for specific object. I need a phone. That means I need a random phone. I've not specified. You can give me any phone, phone with of any company, of any color, right? No requirements. Give me the book on the table. So here, specific book. I don't want any random book on which is lying on the table, but that specific book I want. Understood? I saw a movie. It could be any movie. The movie. That means we are talking about a specific movie. Okay, so this is what we have learned today, and I hope you have enjoyed and also gained something out of this lesson. So, children, thank you so much for thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you understood whatever we have learned today.